Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you and leave the rest, okay? Don't make it fit to your life if it doesn't. This is a reading for the 25th of September weekend. So let's see what's coming up for you, Pisces. Oops. Okay, all right. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, welcome back my subscribers. As you must have noticed, last week we crossed over 5,000 of our family members are here on this channel. Thank you so much for your support. I am overwhelmed with your love. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. We meet here weekly for readings, even weekends now for these love bites. So do join us and we welcome you in. Before I open your cards, Pisces, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top this reading. So my angels, what do you have for Pisces now for this weekend? A blessing or an advice for Pisces, please? Pause. There is a bit of a pause going on in some situation, Pisces, it seems, because bottom of my deck, I did have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse as well, right? So this is also stagnation, something which is stalled at this time, nothing moving ahead, somebody feeling totally stuck, not being able to move ahead at all. So a bit of stagnation going on. It's just a pause, Pisces. It's not the end of the world. Like I always say, the only constant we have in life is change, right? So if there is a pause, it's going to end as well. Nothing lasts forever. No pauses last forever. No movement lasts forever. Nobody lasts forever. Even we don't last forever. So don't worry about this pause. It's just a pause. It's not the end. So let's start opening your card now, Pisces. First card I have for you here is the Four of Wands in reverse. Yes. Second, Five of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. Then we have the Five of Cups, Ten of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. So yes, Pisces, just as the angel said, something in your stability you feel is rocked right now. It's just not seeming stable anymore. And you're feeling a little abandoned, left out in the cold. You feel there's no working together now with this person anymore. Yeah, you feel things are really, really unstable. There's no stability or no forward movement happening in this partnership of yours. Not feeling happy, Pisces, I'm sorry, but at this point you're not really feeling like you've had any victory in this relationship. You're feeling things have really not worked out in your favor. You're feeling alone, maybe abandoned, left out in the cold, wanting desperately now to come out of this place, but still feeling a bit sad and upset, wanting really now, trying to work at coming out of this depression maybe that you've been in for some time now. Yeah, because you've been waiting for a message. You've been waiting for a message or some news which probably hasn't come yet, right? It's just a pause, Pisces. It's just a pause. It's not going to be forever. And this is just for the weekend, okay? Just 3 days. Things will change. And let's see, we haven't yet opened the last 3 cards. Maybe things are changing. You are feeling very, very burdened, or at least you were, and you're desperate now to release yourself of this burden of feeling sad all the time, feeling upset all the time, feeling you have no control on the situation anymore. No, yeah, again the Knight of Wands is here again, feeling things are totally not in your control anymore and things have totally stopped. I mean, nothing is moving. There's no message, there's no news, there's no forward movement. And nobody's investing anything in this relationship anymore. Neither you, neither your person. You are healing right now. This weekend I see you healing. You have taken a step back. I don't think you are talking too much to anyone around you. You've just kind of gone back into your little shell and you're trying to, see things from maybe a higher perspective here, trying to heal your broken heart, it seems. You know things are not correct, but you don't want these things to change either, right? So you're still kind of holding on to that tower which you feel is falling around you. You feel this relationship is now going to end, and it doesn't make you feel good. It really doesn't make you feel good. You feel somebody is being very defensive here in this relationship, Pisces. You feel somebody is just not giving you a break, and sometimes you even feel that they are a bit selfish, because maybe they want to have other options, or they are being defensive towards you. They are not kind of giving you what you want, and you are kind of feeling that they are happy where they are doing what they're doing, and you find it a bit selfish on their part, while you may be sitting here and waiting for them to call and getting absolutely no clarity in the situation, right? So let's see what's coming up for the weekend. Ace of Cups, Magician, and the Eight of Wands. So I'm sorry, Pisces, this weekend also I think there is no conversation happening between the two of you. There is still no news, right? There is still stagnation going on. There is still a bit of a pause going on. You're feeling the lack of love. You feel love has kind of drained out from the situation. Where is that love that we used to have earlier? And it's stressing you out big time. I mean, you're not being able to sleep at night. You'll be worrying a lot. And you feel it's time maybe this weekend that you feel that enough is enough. I need to make a decision now. Like, this can't carry on forever. You feel that this person, whoever you're dealing with, is a major trickster. You want to come out of this zone so desperately, Pisces, of this not feeling abandoned and left out. You're trying your best to manifest this happily ever after, but you're coming to that point where you are feeling that I just can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore, even though you've been maybe trying very hard to manifest this Ten of Cups for you. But there is still no conversations happening, so you don't know where you stand. Eight of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Just when you think all is lost, guess what? Just when you think all is lost and you've made up your mind and you've made your choice, guess what happens? From no communication comes in communication. This is a surprise element for you, I think. Even for me, I wasn't expecting it. And somebody wants to offer you some kind of a partnership, some equal give and take, and this person wants to take passionate, positive movement towards you. Just when you thought it was all over, things are going to start moving. So yeah, that's correct, right? It was just a pause. Nothing really ended. So don't get very disheartened, Pisces. Things are going to move, okay? Hopefully they'll happen on this weekend itself. But if it doesn't, time is fluid, these are just dates. It's coming. All this is coming towards you. Just when you think everything is over and there's nothing happening, all this is going to happen. Right? So keep your chin up, don't feel bad, and look forward and stay happy while there's no communication. Heal yourself. That's all I have for you, Pisces. Love and light. Take care. I will see you now for your October reads next week. Till then, love and light. Namaste.